the truth. What is it really about YM and what's the shit? What's that the shit that you
RTY.
trade? RTY. Yeah. What is it about RM and RTY that just wins you over? Like I don't see anything. Like I'd rather just trade ES based on how they move. I don't know too much about it, but like I'd
It
rather just trade ES
it
if you're
doesn't
gonna do it.
win me over per se. It's just like I I don't know. I think what it is, I've talked about this quite a few times, is I've learned that basically YM influences ES and it's not the other way around. So wow, what a dump. Um YM influences ES. So it's like the reason you see ES doing certain things is because of what YM is doing, and YM and NQ are influencing ES. Like that's what I learned basically. So I don't know. I just like I don't like ES. I just don't trade it. I don't know. I like YM. I kind of learned YM's personality characteristics. I'm like, oh, you know what? Okay, I like it. What a dump,
Hmm.
dude. Wow. Aggressive push down at the open here. Right in the near term volume point of control here. Aggressive push here.
Hmm.
I'm going to sweep 200. Yeah, they're probably going to sweep 200 here. The overnight low. Or they hold it. Being super patient today. No fuckery. No
Nice
fuckery
trade.
today. I
Well,
love this the YM is starting to work though. So my swing trade
I
green.
don't think I'm looking at this gap
Oh,
up on SPY, and I don't think it's gonna fill that. I don't think it's gonna fill this gap, bro. Which means it's probably gonna be a runaway.
to the downside?
No, I don't think it's going to fill the gap to the down. I mean, I could be wrong. I'm just guessing,
Yeah.
but I don't think
Yeah.
it's going to fill the gap to the downside, which means this gap up is probably going to be a
Mm,
runaway.
yeah, dude, look at this fucking dump, dude. They're really trying to bring it down, bro.
They really are.
And YM's diverging. YM's going up while NQ is just fucking dying right now, dude. Interesting. Very interesting here. Interessante. Good morning, guys. Good morning, chat. What's good? What's going on? What is going on, my friends? How are we
What up?
doing?
What up? What up? What up, Vaughn? Oh, what's going on? Alex, Brian, Charles, Luke, Kay.
How are
What's
we
going on? Good
doing,
morning, Kay.
chat? Nice
Rusty, Ray.
bounce, dude. Nice bounce. Really nice bounce.
Mhm.
Morning, coaches. Good morning, Drew. You see
What's
what,
up,
Drew? I
Drew?
love you. Do you see YM, Drew? Did you see it? It's popping.
He
It's
said, Drew, I
popping.
love you.
Well, yeah, because Drew's been the thing is, Drew has, I think, not to make anyone else feel bad, but Drew has such a good eye for technicals, dude. Like he takes some of the principles that like I've taught, and he just already had good understanding of price action.
Hmm.
And he always reminds me, he's like, yeah, well, look at this weekly chart, or the bigger picture on this. And so he's always like kind of helping me even remind myself of that, because obviously that's what I preach too, is like that bigger picture. And so he's been, pointing out these weekly charts and stuff and being like, oh yeah, we still have room to go. YM has room to break out. So it really, I don't know, just good shit. Good shit. So Drew just needs to get better at executing and pulling the trigger. But that's what we've been working on. I want that pullback 44,860 prior week high. Wait for it. Okay. I like that. 44,860. We have VWAP right below too. That could be a nice little sweep I like that, Drew. Okay. I'll watch for that. I'm not against that actually. It looks pretty dank. Not bad. Not against it. Not against it. My swing trade is now back to break even on DIA. It expires on Friday. I fucking hate these buzzer beater type plays. It's
Yeah, that's
either
the
it's either
worst.
it's either Ferrari or no, just kidding, not Ferrari. I'll make if I'm really lucky, I'll probably make like I think the best case scenario is I make like $3 to $4 grand on it, which is great. Can't complain. But if I'm wrong, I'm gonna lose 2K. So real money
Yeah, I'd
after
rather. Yeah, it's always good to have like so much time where you just like. I think it's better to cut early than just be on the buzzer beater.
yeah.
Yeah,
I
you
mean,
definitely gotta
yeah,
give these swings.
I'm already invested figuratively and physically. I don't know how you describe that, but
Yeah, I like how you got. I was about to say you're struggling a little bit.
I'm like, bro, I'm already
Well,
invested in this shit, bro.
wor
Okay,
words
nice
are
hold
hard.
of BPOC here. I think this is interesting here. I think we just put in the bottom for the day on NQ. Don't quote me on that, but if it does work, then you can quote me on it. So I love how we just had a really exaggerated push back into that support area, and we're reclaiming near-term VPOC. This actually looks semi-decent here. Semi-decent. Semi-decent, my friends.
Yeah, like I said, I don't think they're going to close that gap. So if they don't close that gap, chances of us going to continue to go up is likely.
Yeah, I think that's what I'm watching for too. That is what I'm watching for, my friends. I need to go over the morning game plan. So basically,
Mhm.
I'll just tell you guys kind of what I'm looking at per usual. We
You're
had the
not
huge
trading
dump
today?
yesterday. Yeah, I'll take over. Share my screen. Okay. Remove. Pull me up. Put me in, coach. All right. So yesterday, really big picture talked about this that Drew pointed out. And you can see it too on the daily. This is why I love to zoom out, right? We had the dump, but it just retested the top of this range at the lows. This was a crazy buying opportunity, in my opinion. I don't think we get back below this. If we do, then I'm just obviously completely wrong. But I think this was a nice impulse down to retest the top of the range, exactly what we want to see. And if this does hold, theoretically, then we want to shoot for higher. I think we'll end up going towards 23,500s and beyond. So I really like that. And now, if we want to go down to smaller time frames, let's go like the 30-minute to kind of see. Obviously, the big dump yesterday, a lot of consolidation. We just had the pin spike here into like the low of this consolidation or the low of this consolidation. Yeah. So that's why I was like, I think this might be the low. That seemed really exaggerated on that dump. And it seems like this is where you have a bunch of people that would chase. Now we're sitting right near volume point of control, near term volume point of control, which is literally 213s. So I like
Mhm.
this area. Like, God, I just talked to you about this, Lawrence, but I'm like, I kind of want to get involved and try here. I just really like this location. It's
Go on the
like,
lower time frame. Let's look at it.
yeah, let's
Because I
go
mean, I'm
to
not. I mean, let's not throw it off the table. A good setup is a good setup.
yeah, it is. You're right. I think I'm going to take this and put my stop below 196.
Go to a lower time frame,
32nd.
like or 1 minute.
Okay, let's see here. Let's see if we get a sweep down, then hold. That would be really nice.
Yeah,
That's all
let's go
I
to a
want to
lower
see.
time frame and see.
YM is looking. Let's trying. I'm not. Yeah, I'm not against this. I do. I just
Yeah,
love
I'm not
this
against the
location.
long either.
I love this location. See, can we get one more fake push down? I'm in.
Order filled.
I'm gonna put my stop down here. Like I said, 285 at 195. Let's try that. Let's try that. 5 contracts, not crazy. Again, I just love this near-term volume point of control. I think this was such an impulse. I feel like maybe this needs to be all the way at the bottom, but that's too much. 400. I'm gonna go one. I'm gonna go one here in 194. Let's do this. Let's see how this goes. And again, guys, just for me, it's all about location.
I'm going long too. I like
Yeah,
it.
it's just all location. I love good location, and that's why I'm trying to get better at this and not be super close to the open, but I love an impulse candle like that, aggressively down, and then us reclaiming these areas I want to see reclaimed, and then kind of, hanging out around the specific area of near-term VPOC. I really like that. So for me, I'm like, all right, I think this is going to be worth it to attempt here and see if we can get the pop eventually and get back towards 300s. What would that give us? That'd be good. I'm gonna look to figure out how I can add in this somehow as well. But again, right now, this close to the open, I need a wider stop to like let it actually breathe and work. So
Hmm.
let's see. Let's see.
I like it. I went long with you. And if I lose
Yeah.
this trade, I'm just done for the day. I'm risking $560.
Where's your stop at the low a day?
It's at 199.
199. Okay. So similar stop. I'm at 194. Not terrible. I like how this 5-minute bar is starting to digest already, to be honest. I know it's like, it doesn't look the best, but I think what I like on the 2-minute is this. See, can we pop back above here to 38s right into VWAP? We did just reject New York VWAP pretty good. Oh no, we wait and see. It's all about location. You guys know I talk about this all the time. Like, it's good location where I'm like, okay, I'm not risking too much on this, but if it digests and breathes enough and can start to get going, I mean, ideally we easily target pre-market highs, 84s, and then into 300s, and then towards ideally 350s, which is yesterday's high. That'd be a really nice one if we could do that. Let's see. Let's see. I just don't want to be super aggressive on the risk today.
Yeesh.
No, it's okay. It's okay. I think that's fake. I think that's fake. Or I'm just wrong. We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see.
We'll
I
see.
kind of want to put my stop at the lows,
I know. I
but
do
I don't
too.
want to risk that much.
I know. It's too much risk. Okay, here's VPOC right here, retesting.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna get stopped out here.
Okay, hold here.
Mm,
We need to see this
I
hold.
want to put it at the lows,
I'm gonna
bro.
look to add. I'm gonna look to add here. I'm adding.
Order filled.
I'm adding on this.
I want to keep it at the low. That's a lot of risk.
Come on, give me the pop. Give me the pop. Give me the pop here. Give me the pop. Pop it up. Pop it back up.
I don't like the way I did this. I should have lowered my risk and put it at the low.
Yeah, I mean, it might come down there, to be honest. I don't know. Let's see right here. I'm not against where I added. I'm not against it. I'm not against
Yeah,
it.
I wanna put it at the low, but that's too much risk, bro. I'll just take the L if it gets there.
Yeah. I don't know. I feel like we might retest 200 and then pop. That's why I put it at 194. Let's see. It's really not. Okay. I don't want this to pop here. Get back above 213. Not bad. Okay. Okay. A little bit of breathing room. Not too much. Something though. Let's go to higher time frames. Let's get out of this 30-second bullshit.
I just want to put my stop at the low. I do.
Are you doing that? Is that too much risk?
It's too much risk. I would have to sell, take a loss, and then move it.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. I think that's why I'm not moving mine. I don't want to open it up all the way to the low. It's just too much risk. Even 400, I'm like, it's a little bit too much. But again, just location wise, I'm willing to try it in my locations and my good locations and just see if we can get through it here.
Yeah.
It's trying a little bit. It's really trying a little bit.
It is trying. It is trying, but
buyers are trying.
I just don't like my stop loss placement. That's all.
Yeah. Still decently heavy though. There's a lot of fuckery right here. Need a pop. Need a pop here. Hold 200 and pop.
Yeah, I'm about to get to. They about to take me here.
Yeah, let's take you out probably. Let's see. Let's see. We're both locked in right now, guys.
I'm telling you, this is what it all comes down to.
We're locked in right now, guys.
Yeah, I'm cooked.
Yeah, I'm like about to get cooked too. It looks like. Did it take you out?
It's
Yeah,
about to. Yep, I'm out.
yeah, it's about to take me out too.
Damn, bro, I can't stand those fucking
Order
like
filled.
because what
Sorry,
what
fucker.
I did was I look for a sweep first,
Mm-hmm.
and I like the opening range more than I like the London low sweep, bro. Like I swear
Yeah.
that shit just like fails me every fucking time almost. Like
That was a good attempt, dude. It just annoyed. We're just heavy right now. That's the problem. I think that was a good attempt, but I really do.
I'm not doing the
I'm not
London low
mad.
shit.
I'm not mad about trying that. I think I'm a little bit annoyed about my ad. I don't think I should have added there, to be honest. Again, this is just where time comes
I don't
in,
know the
dude.
London low shit. That shit pissed me off.
Yeah. Aggressive dump, dude. Aggressive dump, bro. At this rate, how low are they going to take it? How low are they going to take it?
Let's see. They might
Let's see is
actually, maybe,
right.
yeah, they might fill that gap.
They might do it.
Go for a spy.
Well, they might do it. Let's see. $73 here. Really aggressive.
See what we got next. All right. So, Lawrence, that video you posted on yesterday, YouTube yesterday was spot on. Notice trade my best when I'm limiting my screen time. Yep. Trading addiction isn't spoken about enough. That's facts, bro.
Mm-hmm.
That's facts. Especially when you got like a profitable system. If you have like a profitable system, I don't think that you should be really spending that much time on the screens. You should probably be spending more time on like yourself. That's what I think personally.
What do you think?
That once you have a profitable system, you shouldn't really be spending that much time on the screens, but like really like bettering yourself.
Yeah. Now we just sit and wait, guys. We're just chilling now. You guys are pretty long biased. Yeah, usually. Pretty long bias, my friends. We're just
Hmm.
waiting now.
Definitely waiting.
I think maybe they hold it here. This could be the actual. I don't know. I'm gonna wait till we get back above VPOC and stuff now. Problem is I don't have a really good risk reward area to get involved. I don't like that.
This might have been a decent area for you to get involved,
I know.
honestly.
I know. It's just hard, dude. It's just 161.
Hmm.
I could try it one more time here. I just don't really have a level. I have a lot of 30-minute support in this zone. It's just in a zone, right? Like, look at this. We just swept this and this. Like, this ain't bad. This actually ain't bad. It's not bad
Yeah.
here. Can I try this here one more time? I think I'm gonna try it.
Order filled.
Put my stop at the low. What is that? 200 more bucks.
Hmm. If we get above, what's that? What's that bearish
Order
candle?
filled.
I'm gonna add 6 contracts. Okay. Pretty decently wide stop here, but if this can hold, look at this 5-minute bar, how it's trying to form.
Hmm.
Man, they're really trying to pick this up down here, dude. I think this might be it.
Yeah. I haven't
Damn, look
got
at
an
this
entry yet.
bar, bro. Here
Nice,
comes that YM
nice.
setup, Drew. That YM is coming into VWAP right now. Wow, okay.
True words have never been spoken. Yeah, yeah, bro. I mean, after a profitable system, it's all on you. And
Mm-hmm.
then, yeah, those first few years, you got to be locked in on the screens. But afterward, less is definitely more. Absolutely, you got to learn how to switch, how to hit the switch, bro.
Mm-hmm.
That's a facts. Well, I just got my 2 trades and done. Good shit, Rusty. Go ahead and mark it off on your DRC and lock your accounts if you can.
Man, we're gonna get a nice 5-minute bar to do us some Give us some love here. Drew, here's that 860 on YM. Overshooting VWAP. Keep your eyes peeled. Might not be a bad spot. I don't like this 5-minute bar now. It's fucking ugly.
You might be, I think you're still good. Hold the line.
I know.
I'm going for a $1,200 loss today. I'm down 600. I'm gonna risk another 600 on this second trade.
Okay. Are you in again?
No, not yet. I'll let you know.
Okay.
But I'm definitely looking at longs. I'm just waiting for my entry model to form.
Yeah. I like it. Not against it. Not against it. Still really struggling at 200 now. That's what I don't like. We need to get pop back through right away. If we get back through 213 and we start to really hold around this 200 area, I think we're much better. So far, just like fuck, dude.
Damn, that shit is really, oh my god.
Every time they just don't want to. Not a bad spot, very heavy though. Yeah, for YM, I know, but sometimes it's how it is. It looks really heavy, but those are the best entry opportunities, and that's in that zone.
Damn, that's fucking thing.
Let's see. Let us see, my friends. Not bad. Not bad. Okay. Trying a little bit here. I like this. I like this a lot. It's 2 minutes starting to look good. Can this actually do something now? Can it actually do something? Can it actually do something? That's the question. I just like buying support zones, dude. Support stays support till it's no longer support. We had a bunch of support here yesterday, right? Like all this. Look at all this. Again, I feel like this 100 down here was a gift for anyone that bought it. So it's like now like retesting this area. I feel like it's another gift. Could be wrong, but not against it. All right, a little win for the Bulls here on the 2 minute. This bar right here, pinned down, closed higher. Starting to go a little higher now.
I'm in.
Okay. Send it. Let's see. Where's your stop at the lows?
Yeah, my stop is at the lows.
I wish YM wouldn't die right now. Come on, dude. Just throw me a freaking bone. I'm along with you, Tanner. All right. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Let's send it.
Let's do it, my friend. We need to get through this damn VPOC, dude. 213 area. I don't like that it's taking too long to get up there. Let this digest. Let her digest. Okay. What I don't like is we still have prior day high to be tested on SPY down lower.
Yeah.
Not a fan of that.
I know.
But a little bit of divergence here on SPY and Qs. Qs have a little bit more buying coming in. Drew, here's your signal bar starting to form on YM. If you're watching, starting to get a 5-minute hammer. So a decent area to get involved and attempt to put the stop at the low at 30s. Man, dude, they're just fucking, come on, dude. This is just poor digestion. I don't like how slow this is, to be honest.
Yeah. I don't either.
It's always one or two things. Either the slowness is going to be good because like everyone thinks it's going to go back down and it doesn't, or it's actually just digesting and it's going to dump more. I don't like how the 5 minutes are looking, to be honest. Those are pretty ugly bars, dude. Indecision bars. Dojis, as they call them.
Mm-hmm. Dojis. Yeah, that's what they call them.
Dojis. Man, this is pretty heavy still. Okay.
Yeah,
Get back through
it's pretty
200.
heavy.
Get back through 200. Get back through 200. Come on, buyers. Do something cool.
Come on, man. We just need 200s. That's all. Actually, I need 210s. If you give me 210s,
I need two
I'll be confident.
14s. Give me two 14s and I'll have more
I
confidence.
need 250s.
I need
Just
350. I need PT. I need PT, bro. Then I'll be more confident in this.
Right.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Oh my
Okay.
gosh. That shit just what?
Did that wipe you?
Oh,
Now I'm really fucked.
oh God. Damn, bro. That's
I
it for
hate
me.
that. Did it take you out?
It did because I moved my stop up more.
Gotta keep the
I
stop
know.
Low. That's your own
I wanted to
philosophy.
prioritize risk, so I moved it more
That's fair.
into.
That's fair. That's
I
fair.
didn't move it wider. I moved it tighter.
Yeah, I understand.
So, all right, well, that's it for me.
It might be a real early stream today, guys.
We over here getting cooked, bro.
We're getting cooked, dude. These motherfuckers.
Oh man, I can't blame anybody but myself. Honestly, I think that my entry models are like pretty low quality.
Mm-hmm. I don't
I
like
can't blame anybody but
these
myself.
5-minute bars. Like usually our recipe to go lower. That's what I don't like. Oh, this YM looks fucking good now, Drew. Starting to really look good. I might shift gears here, to be honest.
And go to YM.
Yeah, I really like this YM, dude. How it's starting to form this hammer. I don't know. Really like the YM. Ham skis its forming. Check this out, YM. Look at this 5-minute. Dude, look at that, dude. Oh my god. I gotta get involved on this. I need to be a part of this. I need to be a part of this, man.
But it's against my nature if I'm not.
I'm in. What is this? 210? Can I afford all that risk? I think I can. I'm on two things right now, guys. I've never done this in front of you. 430 plus 210. Yeah, I can afford it. I can afford all that risk. Let's do it. Let's go positions down here.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see it. Let's see it, gang. If this YM can actually get going through these 60s, it's a decent. But if these both take me out, then we are donezo for the day. YM
Now
back
let
to
me
green.
review what I did.
YM back to green. A lot of the best traders, their P&L comes from like 20% of the year, and the other 80% they're trading really small, basically just to stay engaged and staying sharp. Yeah, if you're trading, it depends, bro. Like it definitely, like if they're a big dog trader trading like individual names, that is true for sure. Absolutely. I think trading futures the way we do it, it's not the same. So watch out for news in under 1 minute. Okay, I'm ready to get stopped.
I'm ready to get stopped.
This YM looks great, dude. Yeah, fuck this. Fuck this NQ, dude. I almost just want to cut this and go all in on YM. This thing's gonna take me out for sure.
NQ is wild.
YM looks so good, bro. It's looking great.
Order filled.
Okay. Fuck NQ. I'm all in YM, dude. I'm absolutely all in YM. I need to add to this.
Order filled.
510. I can't even afford that risk. 1200. I have to keep the stop at the low though. I can't. I love this YM setup.
That's the golden indicator right
It's
there.
fucking great, dude. I'm opening up the risk. You guys are gonna hate me for it, but I'm doing it.
Jesus.
1500. And if this is done, I'm fully done. It's okay. I need it for the risk. I need it. I just like the setup. This came right into that level that Drew was talking about. I just overshot it. We are retesting view up. That's what I don't like. But I love that little overshoot there. Let's go.
Yeah, we definitely have space to push lower on ES. I'm looking at
860s.
ES.
856. That's what he was talking about, that weekly level. Daily. Retesting here. Okay. I see it. Ooh, RTY with a nice little bottom setup. Not bad. Yeah, because it's 645,000. All right, we are riding this pony. We're riding this. I think that was the actual low in NQ. Hopefully. I wish I could add more to this MYM. I want to add more. Can't afford the risk though. 500, maybe 1400. It's too much risk. No, I'm sticking with 2. I'm not doing that today. I already did it once. I don't want to get in this habit of opening up my risk because I'm like, oh, now I see it. Just a really bad, really bad habit. It's a really bad habit.
Mm-hmm.
But look, we finally broke this. Oh, this thing could come down and retest this. That's what I don't like. Whatever. I'm just gonna accept it now. I'm overthinking about it.
Morgan Stanley, 11%. Yeah, I don't know, bro. I'm straight. I got my ass smoked on.
Yeah, I don't really like this now. I just don't like that we're. I guess we retested it here a little bit in the pre, but I don't know. We'll see. RTY looks good. Tricky day, dude. Tricky action lately.
Yeah.
This whole month has been hard, honestly. This whole month has been
this month is ass.
Month has been super tricky. TP short and NQ is 23,140. Already close majority with a closer runner. Okay, nice. Thanks for the news, 20 square. Appreciate that. Please go through VWAP all the way up. All the way up and up and up and up. It's too good of a signal bar in the 5 minute. Right in the zone that I wanted in. Did this retest this? This did.
I mean, I think you're good.
I mean, I'm just gonna let it trade now. It's just gonna be this is gonna be a slow one. We're gonna be hanging out for a hot minute if this does start to work.
Mhm.
So that's just how YM is. Or it's not gonna work. I'm just gonna be fucking done over it. God, NQ, dude, is just really shit in the bed.
Fresh.
How's DIA look? Pull up DIA. The old DIA machine. Okay, a little bit of something here. A little bit of something, something. Something. If we take this, we'll go to 45,000 and maybe we'll get really, really blessed. And we'll go to 45 130s, which is the weekly high on YM. Let's see. See, this is where I'm going to say fuck NQ, Lawrence. I'm trading YM.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
I understand. Today is one of those days,
I
bro.
understand.
Do you hear me? Yeah.
No, I
It's
know.
like
I'm
the
just
weather is horrible here.
in Florida. It's because you live in Florida.
Mhm. Yeah. Wait, what? What do you mean?
California, baby. Oh, this is a nice reversal on NQ here if this can go because this looks like a fake
It
out
is.
bar. But look at this. This is 3-minute looks better, but on the 5-minute, this is classic. Like this looks like, oh, they're gonna keep going, and then they end up actually holding this bar. They close it up here, and then they start to really grind it up. And everyone that's like still
You're gonna
short,
hate me.
you're
I'm
gonna
going short.
You're going short.
Yes.
Okay. Well, while we were talking about that, YM just popped. Let's fucking go. Let's get it. All right, we're
You're in the
going.
driver's seat.
I'm in the driver's seat. Yeah, finally, let's go. Okay, if this starts to really go, I want 45 130s, which will be more than I don't even need that much for my max win. Actually, yeah, I do. No, roughly. Oh no, let's see. We just popped into DIA VWAP here, so we need to get through this. This is exactly where we just popped into.
You know what? I think I'm going to do the responsible thing here.
Are you going to lock out?
I'm just going to lock out. I think I am.
Wow. W's in the chat for Lawrence for being responsible.
I don't want
Please.
to though. Should I? Should I? I think this is a good quality setup I'm in.
For
This
sure.
is
For
the
short?
this is the ultimatum for me. Well, for my system. That's how I'm looking
Okay.
at it.
What are
My
you down
system
right
is
now?
there.
What are you down? How much you down?
1,200, like I told you.
Lock it. Lock it. It's too
Lock
much.
it.
Lock it. It's too much. You're going to regret it if you don't lock it. It's too much. What are the odds you come back from a $1,200 loss? That's my question. How many times have you done that? You do that 1 out of 20 times, 2 out of 20 times?
No, hell no. That's only risking $600. Okay, how about this?
The problem is you
I'm
want to
wi-
go short, and I want to look for the long.
I'm trying to be responsible, but a part of me
Is a degenerate.
is a degenerate. Damn it.
All right, I'll even with you on this. You have five of those combines. You got to lock 4 of them, but you can risk 1.
I'm already in.
Okay, then never mind. Send it. Are you short?
Yeah, fuck it.
No.
I'm gonna take the 14. I'll take the $1,400 loss, and then I'll just lock up.
Yeah, because
I hate it,
I think this is the
man.
reversal. This is the long. This is the take the long. Take the long. Take the long. Take the long.
No, fuck no. I'm done.
All right. Fair
Fuck
enough.
no, I'm done. This
Good.
is a big.
Lock
And
emojis in the chat.
honestly, I don't like it. I don't like it.
Lock emojis in the chat, guys.
Yeah, I'm done. I'm not gonna keep playing this game.
Yeah, don't play that game. Meanwhile, this is looking real good. YM is YMing. Oh, NQ is doing literally what I just called out. The fake fucking failure to go lower. ugly candle, everyone thinks that, oh, it should continue here, but then they actually engulf this, and then now we start to go higher. I think that's exactly what's going to happen. Back to YM.
I'm going
Look,
through it. I gotta go through. I gotta. What's that substance that you? What's that thing? It's like an ego death. I forgot what it's called.
yeah, ego death. Yeah.
You know that? You know what I'm talking about? That drug? That's
Yeah.
not a drug, but
Acid.
like,
Yeah. People take acid and they go through ego death. That's what happens.
yeah,
That's
that's
what
what
they
I
call it.
need. I was looking for like, is it called like Hasha something? Hashira something? I don't know. It's not a Hashira. I've been watching Demon Slayer. You know, do you watch
Are you
anime?
thinking? No, I don't.
Oh,
Are you
okay,
thinking
you
of?
should.
It's not my thing, dude. I barely watch TV. I watch TV with my girl, but we watch like Netflix series. We'll watch like we watched Breaking Bad. Have you seen You? We watched You. That was a good one.
I haven't seen the second season. When seasons take too long to come out, I normally get uninterested very quickly.
Yeah, we just finished You. It's actually done. But it was good. I really liked it.
Josh
So
got it. Thank you, Josh. I
ayahuasca.
remember
Yeah, that's what I
you.
was gonna say. Ayahuasca.
Ayahuasca.
That's right.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
retarded. I said Hashira.
She guys bringing up anime terms.
Yeah, anime terms.
Nice. This looks really good, guys. This is starting to. I love this huge, clean, fucking green bar. This is as clean as it gets. This is the bullshit as it gets, bro. I wonder if I can add and put my stop here at 855s. What do you think about that? What do you think about that there, Lawrence?
Let me
What
see.
is
Go
that?
to a lower time frame.
Let me see. That'd be 250. Yeah, I could probably do that.
Go to a lower time frame. Let me see.
Here's your 1 minute.
Thank you.
Maybe here. It has to be here.
I think that if we retest 480 890. I mean, well, sorry, 890s, retest that. See if you
And
get a
hold.
nice little response, yeah, and hold, then
Yeah.
I would go. I would add. I mean, or they could just be retesting 910s. There's a nice little consolidation area right there.
Yeah, this is retesting a DIA VWAP right here. If it's going to retest anywhere, it's probably going to be here.
Look at my short. Look at my fucking short.
Good work. I don't like it.
I know my short is working.
I don't like it, but I'm just gonna keep my stop
Look at my
below.
short.
I'm gonna let this
Damn,
trade keep the
bro.
stop below. I'm not. I
That's
just
what I
don't want to do
get.
it. I don't want to do it.
So this is what. Let's talk about it. Actually, I'll wait till you finish your trade.
You're acting like it's gonna stop me right now. Don't say that.
I just said finish your trade. I didn't say when I lost. I didn't
Well,
say
I
when I
hate
lost.
that. This looks fucking awful now. God damn, this is terrible. Why do they got to do this to me every time, man?
Why you gotta be
That's
so
awful. That's awful. I might be
Ooh.
extremely cooked. I might be so cooked.
Mm.
I'm glad I didn't add. I would have been tripping sack if I added on ayahuasca. Man, I love this YM setup though. This is good. I just hate this bar. Why do they got to do that shit, dude?
Mm-hmm.
These guys are awful.
They're horrible.
They're terrible people.
They should be shunned.
They should be shunned, dude.
I think we're going to 100s.
We might be. We might be, Lawrence. These just too obvious of bars. Is that the problem? Obvious reversal bar, obvious expansion bar. Get everyone trapped here, reverse it, take everyone out. It's all mind games. All they do is
It
play.
is.
Now we just stay objective. Does VWAP hold? On DIA, it got rejected pretty hard. That's what I don't like. And obviously now we're flirting with it, and down below it doesn't look good. I think I'm going to get taken out. Yeah, I'm fucked. I'm done. There's no way. The bar is way too aggressive, dude. Way too aggressive in the reversal bar. I hate this. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it.
I'm
Extremely
going to
dislike it.
100.
We're so fucking cooked, dude.
We're going to 100.
Cooked. I'm so cooked on this. Yeah, it's
I'm
done.
actually about to journal this because this is a nice little lesson right here.
See, no, I think we're gonna hold here on NQ. That was it.
I don't know,
It's
bro.
actually testing a real level now.
I wouldn't call it. I'm not gonna lie to you. It might, but I'm still thinking that this shit got a little bit more room. If it does go from here, I'm just gonna like be today is just ass. If it goes from here, today is ass to me.
I think this is gonna hold. Yeah, this is gonna hold and go. Negative on the day, not trading anymore, down 600 on the sim. Not a day to trade, even more. Yeah. Take the losses, move on.
Yeah, pretty much. Be
Wow,
back tomorrow.
NQ looks good, dude. Now I like this NQ, bro. This looks great. Fantastic, to be honest.
I don't know, bro. I'm still until we clear 200s, I'm still short bias.
I like it. I don't know. This YM looks terrible. Just not fucking doing anything I want. I love the NQ. It's bouncing right off a level I have, 150s. Obviously bullish engulfing now.
Mm-hmm.
Keep wanting to flip flop though. It's my problem. I don't want to
I
flip
mean,
flop.
that's what the market is doing to you right now. The market is
I
that's the
know it
market.
is. Yeah, it is flip flopping, flipper flopper. Wow, NQ, dude. N Kizzle.
Yep. Thank you, so gay, bro.
NQ is gay. Lawrence, can you show your current setup on your screen? What was that sweep that you saw?
I'll show you 1 second.
You can pull it up. I'm going to be sitting in this for a minute.
And God, he asked, I was damn near about to shut the whole shit down. I don't even want to look at these charts anymore.
Yeah, this is
I'm in disgust.
disgust. Is this really going to climb back here and hold this? Be pretty crazy if it does.
All right, so here's my charts of shame. So basically, my chart of shame, bro. So we got London lows right here, and then London highs. I normally try to look like London lows, bro. I mean, London lows and highs. That sweep it's been fucking me lately. But we got a big push down, came back, right? Got one more extension down, failure to go, failure to go lower, and that's why we were so long bias. So I know you can see this right here. So that's why we were long bias. I mean, even right here, when we took the long, it still was a decent idea. But this extension right here, failure to go lower, got a nice little pop up. Took out this bearish candle, just assumed that we was going to continue to go higher. That's it. And that's it.
That's the way the cookie crumbles.
That is it, my guy. I told you, bro, we're going to 100s. I told you, I'm still short bias. Unless we clear 200,
you're right.
I think we're going to 100.
Until we do. You're not wrong. You are not wrong. Let it trade. Yeah, these are these type of days I just suck at, honestly. I'm on NQ. So I was like, all right, switch gears, go to the YM setup. I see it more clearly.
Mm-hmm.
We are starting to reclaim this bar a little bit, though, at least half of it. Gonna keep pushing here. Back through VWAP on YM too. It looks pretty nice. I want to add. Can I add now?
Oh, God.
Tricky. How's the 15-minute chart?
I don't look too bad. I look like I can reclaim that wick.
Yeah, I kind of like this. I don't think we're going to go below this 58 now. What would this be? 220? I could add here. Should I do it?
I
don't
wouldn't
know.
just yet, honestly. I wouldn't do it just yet.
I should probably let it breathe a little bit more. You're right. Still a bit tricky in this area. I want to get back through DIA VWAP, which is like roughly right around 900 here. It's just above this wick. Okay, NQ starting to do the thing. I think I might add to this, dude. Should I do it? I'm doing
Order
it.
filled.
650. What is that math? What can I afford? I can afford 600 with the $1,500 risk, which is like here, 45. Okay, let's see. Right, I like that at the base of this bar. I like that actually. I'll take that. I'll try it. See if we can get through. There we go. A little bit of push.
Lawrence, to me, I play trend continuation. Okay. In New York session so far, it has only been sellers. It has been only sellers on NQ. That's why I took the short today. What are your thoughts on this? Well, I'll tell you this. It could have gone either way. Like there's a lot of times where I used to play trend continuations as well. Like that's the thing. Like I still do play trend continuations, but I normally try to look for like sweeps or something like that because it looks like it's going to be a trend until it's not. Like if you just solely do trend continuations not involving like stop hunts or anything like that, then you probably are going to lose a little bit more than you win in your trend continuations if you think every trend is just the natural trend of things. That makes sense. Like you got to have some type of filter to know what the true trend is, because I can show you several examples where the market opens up and we look super bearish the first 15 minutes. We sweep a London low, sweep like failure to go lower, some type of divergence, and then we're up for the whole day. And that's more likely to happen than not because the markets range and consolidate 70% of the time when we only trend 30% of the time. So if you're doing trend-based setups every single day, you know, this is probably not going to look good for you. Your take, Tanner?
Yeah, the market doesn't trend most of the time. Like especially this is the problem with a lot of people forget. The market is natural, like especially the futures indices. They're very efficient products, meaning they're naturally always seeking out liquidity. They're always kind of reverting to the mean, coming to the middle, going to opposite sides. That's why I never short low a day and I never buy high a day. That's like my rule, bro. That's like my fucking golden rule. I never do it because it just doesn't work. It's just like, or it does sometimes, but like, again, it's all about probabilities. It's all about probabilities. If 2 out of 10 times it works, that's not statistically significant for me to want to do that every time. But
yeah,
for taking sweeps, an example, if 8 out of 10 times that works, fuck yeah, I want to do that. Like, and like I'll that's why I take paper cuts so much, dude, because 8 out of 10 times it will work. But yeah, I'll take paper cuts, those other 2, and they do hurt. I just got to manage the risk. So like I just don't play trend continuations, especially because overall we're still bullish. Like trying to catch a turn like this is just hard. And like, what's the reason, right? Like I still think weekly and big picture we're bullish. So personally, I want to stick with it and just basically write it out. Like that's like how I like to look at it. So yeah, that's my thoughts. Good question though. Look at Brian C. Bro, again, just logged onto your stream for the second time. I'm long YM around the same area as you, 44,861. Nice shit, dude. Good shit. Good. Hopefully that gives us conviction. and adds to it. Also had YM overnight since we broke out of that downward trend line. Yes, dude. Okay, let's talk about that. See that big picture YM trend line? Hourly. This one, right? Look at this magic one. Finally, bro, this thing broke out. So now we should start to kind of continue higher. That's why I still like this swing setup I'm in. I'm like, come on, take us to the fucking races, dude. Take us to the races. So let's see. Go to the 4 hour. I always love sifting through charts like this. See if this bar can kind of get back up here towards middle of the day. Looking good. Looking great. And now look what's happening on the 5 minute. We finally, I just saw you just like skipped price here. It's kind of crazy. We're getting back to the high of this bar. So my panic is now negated for the most part, which is good. Let's see. Let's come sweep 4,500. We should sweep this and go to 4,500 at least. And then honestly, maybe we get a 4,500 breakout and we go straight to 130s. That'd be real, real nice. Real nice.
It's 10:25. Yeah, I'm done here, bro. I'm about to just go ahead and log off. I got a call in like 25 minutes, so I'm about to eat breakfast. I got a busy day.
Okay, you can leave me alone. I'll hang out with everyone.
Don't worry, I still love you.
I know you do. It's all good.
All right, everybody.
All right, you guys are stuck with me now. You're stuck with me in this trade. Okay. You guys got a Discord I can join. Interested in the way you trade YM. I've been trading it for years. We're about to announce it. So give us about a couple weeks. We're literally in the works of getting it all set up. But we will be having a Discord that's launching soon. So definitely. And what's cool is it's going to be a group coaching model. So we are going to be doing the plan is right now to do 2 group coaching sessions a month for everyone in the Discord. So we wanted to bring something unique because everyone has a fucking Discord, dude. And it's like, I don't like doing signals and stuff like that. Like I like coaching and like talking through people live and either doing it here or doing it on calls. Like, that's what strong trading is built around. It's built around coaching. It's built around talking through price, talking through habits, talking through strategies and stuff like that. So that is the plan. In a couple weeks, we're launching the Discord. It's going to be the group coaching model. There will be a crazy like special intro rate for everyone. That's like the first 25 people to join. So definitely be on the lookout for that because that's coming. It's going to be sick. But yeah, appreciate you being interested and just be patient. Waiting for IB high to break a YM. Average daily range high is 44. Okay, cool. 45.80s. I like that. Good, Brian. Give me some more conviction on this. That's what I want. More conviction, more confidence. Let's get her going. Good. I remembered to link all the accounts today. Glad I didn't fuck that up. Keep zooming out and rotating. 15 minutes. See, now this is great. I love that we just engulf this wick on YM. If we can close up here, especially in the next 3 minutes, we should be golden to come up back towards 45,000. We need to stay up here though and keep going. That's for sure. Luke, float higher from here. Yep, definitely. We definitely could just float higher. Yeah, signal services they've been through that cycle years ago. Not what I'm looking for. Can't wait for your Discord. Hell yeah, awesome. Appreciate you. Yeah, I've never been a fan of the signal stuff, dude. Like, I think signals bring it's like the newbie traders in the beginning, dude. Because yeah, if anyone's like, oh, if I could just follow this guy that knows what he's talking about and make money from it, then I'd rather just do that than learn on my own. It's extra income, quote unquote. But it's like, yeah, but you're not going to learn a skill. And then also sometimes the person you're learning from or that's giving you signals, they're still going to be wrong, but you don't know anything about risk management. So I remember in the beginning, this happened to me in some Discords where I was following signals. Someone's on a tear, right? You're following one of those influencers that's doing well. They're giving you signals. You're ripping it. You're doing well. You're doing well. You're doing well. So all of a sudden your brain goes, you know what? Like, I should go more aggressive. I should go bigger. And then all of a sudden, like you have that one day where you oversize too much and you blow everything you've just done. You're like, bro, come on. Why? So yeah, you got to be self-sufficient for sure. Frustrating. Got too eager and thought RTY was melting down short of the lows. No. Okay. Got long YM, but taking out for break even. Taking out for break even. Where'd you put your stop? This is where we talked about, Drew, that those extremes. That's why initially when I got long on this, I was like, my stop has to be at the lows down here. So I don't know if you got in here when I first kind of talked about that bar, but you know, once this barely swept and started to hold and keep going, that's where you can kind of get re-involved. Kind of tough. I mean, when you're catching, like trying to catch like bottoms like this and snipe this stuff, again, like there might be a little fuckery. That's why you always see me take so many haircuts, you know, down $900, right? But eventually when I'm on the right side of it, you know, hopefully it works and really starts to go. So, all right, YM, come on, start doing some stuff. Start doing some stuff here, YM. Almost back to break even, gang. What stop loss size are you using, Drew? It's a good question. I got pretty much where you did, but didn't sit through all that pullback. Got to sit through the pullback, bro. YM. So this is another thing is YM has like a, it's really important to understand like the personality of the asset you're trading. And like you kind of hop around like, you know, like I do as well, but understanding like NQ trades so differently from YM and from RTY. And that's why like I know YM can do fuckery like this where it pulls back really aggressive. And then I just got to go, you know what, let it trade because yeah, they might do something like this where this actually ends up getting re-engulfed and goes. So it's like, you can't get spooked. You got to just have your invalidation point and let it trade. Accept the risk, let it trade. It's, I think part of it, Drew, is maybe just on accepting the risk is like, that's why you saw when I was in this, I was like, all right, I'm accepting, like, this is it. 44,824 was your stop. 44,824. Yeah. So never even would have got taken out. You just got out. You just got out too early. Looks like. Dang. Tricky. See, like even here, this is kind of like, this is frustrating and annoying and spooky. Like, I'm not going to lie. I don't like this. Ugh, fucking hate this now. Really dislike this. Why is it doing this so aggressively? But I'm going to keep my stop here and let it trade. I'm not going to touch it. I'm not doing that. I'm not fucking doing it. My stop's at 45. Yeah, I'm going to let this breathe. Let it do its thing. Big Tan, Max, what's good, bro? How's that mustache? Guys, check out Top One Futures, by the way. I am doing a giveaway on Friday. Anyone that buys any account, you can even buy an eval, whatever it is, anything, you'll get entered for a chance to win a free straight to funded account. Doing 3 winners. So it's going to be 150K, 100K, and 50K. So definitely. Randy, what's good, bro? What's good? Randy's the man. Everyone go check out Randy on socials. Randy is up and coming in the future space, and this guy's grinding, trying to get his name out there. And he's an honest, great, genuine dude. Met this guy in person at the Tampa seminar with ASFX, and Randy's just a good human. It's really cool going to in-person events. If you guys have never been to one, definitely recommend doing it. It is just like, it's just so cool to connect with other traders in person. It's a unique experience. It's not the same as like doing it online, even through this. It's so different because you guys are shooting the shit, you're hanging out, and then you realize like everyone's just human, bro. We're all just normal people, like, you know, and that's how I kind of like was able to befriend some of the big dogs in the space, like, you know, like the SMB dudes and Lance and even them. And I just like, just be human, be normal, and then you're like, oh yeah, you know. Yeah, I need to understand YM that it's really thin market. So big players will frequently need multiple tests of a level area to fill their positions, eventually turn the market. Yeah, see, that's really good. That's really good to point out. Exactly. It's the same idea of just like the characteristics, right? Understanding the personality of it. So that's why we just saw these multiple, you know, boom, boom, and then hopefully this holds as like the new bottom, and then it kind of continues higher back into liquidity here at least. So, but I like, how'd this 15 turn out? 15 still turned out good, right? This ain't too bad. This closed up here. Yeah, we got to pull back halfway into it, but if this does fail for whatever reason, I'll just be like, oh, that sucks. But like overall, I think it was decent high probability. I'm not like mad about it. So I don't like that the rest of the market is pushing down hard, but YM kind of seems to be on its own, which is kind of cool. Yeah, Qs are pushing down heavy right now, dude. Real heavy. But the big dogs are trying to kind of keep this bot, which is nice. So I found you through ASFX post, strong trader guide to dominating futures markets. Watch that video a few times. Use the DRC down. Nice. Awesome. Love to hear that. Daily report card, dude. Great tool. Give that to all my one-on-one clients. Absolutely great tool. Definitely need YM to expect to retest your entry. Yeah, For sure. Definitely could. Definitely could. Man, the whole NQ's really pushing hard here, dude. Towards the downside. Really dislike that. Really dislike that. Cruising. Gotta watch Google earnings, AD numbers. Past combine this morning. You both are really helping me trading so much. Grateful you found you guys. Awesome. I'm glad we can help, dude. Really, honestly, very, very grateful we can help. I love to hear that. I always show everyone, like, I'm just trying to be who I am in this space and transparent. Like, dude, I don't got a fucking Lambo or anything. Like, I literally just had my first 6-figure year last year, and I've been trading for almost 6 years. It took me a long time, like a long fucking time to like even get to this point, right? And other than that, I've just been growing my brand and stuff like that. So it's like I just try to be. I'm no crazy, insane expert trader by any means, but this is just what I do. I just love to do it. And I just get better and better as days and weeks and months and years go on because it's a skill. You keep practicing the skill, you keep over time, you get better. It's just that's how it works. Like eventually you get better at the skill if you just keep practicing it. It's like imagine practicing something every fucking day for years on end and not getting better at it. It's like, no, you are getting better. You maybe just don't see it in the moment, but like you start to pick up things, you start to understand stuff, understanding risk, understanding probabilities, all that type of shit. It is all part of the game. And you know, it is really what it takes. So might get one more pullback to VWAP here on YM, a real test of it, because it's not there. It's actually down here. Back to my entry, like you said, yep. So I'm going to keep the stop where it is. Let this trade. I'm not overthinking this. I just want to let it trade. And we'll see. See what happens. See what happens. 10,000 reps, 10,000 trades. Yeah. Maybe even more, to be honest. It's all the way real. I hope that helps. We love you, Tanner. I love you, Alex. You're the man. Alex, Alejandro. I don't know what you prefer to go by, but I'm going to call you both. Call you both. Oh, let me throw that link in the chat for the top one giveaway. Everyone check out Top One Futures. Like I said, I'm trying to go live with them. That's my goal. I want to go live with them. It'd be really nice. Don't fail me now, YM. Don't fail me now. I think what I don't like is how we barely swept this high, and then now we're starting to get weak. But again, I just got to let it trade. Maybe it is a slow bleeder that takes me out. That would be unfortunate, but it's trading. Appreciate you streaming every day. It helps. I'm really glad it helps. Hello, sir. Here off the back of watching an interview with Lance. Could really relate to a few things you shared. So thanks for sharing the insight. You're welcome. Really, really glad I can help. That was cool of Lance to do the interview with me. It was dope. I mean, me and him we've lifted weights quite a few times, and we're homies for sure. Lance is the man. So you know, he just caters to a lot of like really advanced traders. And so he's like, hey, I want to do like a more beginner friendly podcast. And I was like, let's do it. I am beginner friendly. That's where I'm at. Be perfect. Let's see. Does the market hold here? We're cruising. We're cruising for a bruising. Checking something in my other stream. NQ, man. N fucking Q. Always doing some bullshit. You know what I'm saying? NQ's always doing some bullshit, dude. How would you compare top step to top one, looking for something with mobile capabilities. So definitely different in the sense of top step makes you take the combine. Top one, you can go straight to funded, which is cool. There are like consistency rules with top one where top step has the advantage of that. They don't have consistency rules. So again, it really just depends if you want to go straight to funded or not. I'll never talk bad about Top Step. I actually don't think they're bad at all. They, they're like the OG in the space, just different. So it's like if you want to skip the combine and go straight to funded, and you can trade with the consistency rule, and you're okay with that. Like the consistency rule has actually helped me a lot because I never go for home runs because I noticed also too, like a big problem of mine is just greed, bro. Like I always was like, oh well, I can make 1,000 on this, or I can make 2,000 if this goes, or 3,000 if this goes, and I would always be so fucking greedy on it to the point where I'm like, dude, this is just like, this is literally just me being greedy. So now having the consistency rule, it actually really helps kind of keep me grounded, which is nice. So I personally like that a lot. So that's not the only difference. It's the same platform. They're both Project X. You can use both. But yeah, if you want to go straight to funded, there are some really good deals too. I mean, like all in, like because you got to think, you got to pay the activation fee also in Top Step. You get $150 for the combine. You got $150 for the activation fee if you're trading the 150Ks. And the accounts that I'm trading, which are straight to funded, I think we're doing a sale next week, launching it, where all in it's going to be about like, I think like 475 or something like that. So yeah, it's still a little bit more, but you don't have to take the combine because you got to remember too, if you happen to fail the combine, like you got to pay another 150, right? Like now you're getting up there. So it's like it starts adding up a lot in that sense. You also could do the pro accounts. There's two types of accounts. I trade on the instant funded ones that have no intraday trailing drawdown, especially because like I like to sit through my positions more and hold them. The pro accounts do have an intraday trailing drawdown. So some people can navigate that though, and they have no problem with it. If you can do that, cool. But I like to be transparent about that. Like if you don't like that, like don't trade those. But if you do like that, you can trade more of them, which is cool. You can trade up to like 5 to 7 accounts, kind of just depending on the promo. But with these instant funded ones that I trade, the straight just instant, you only can trade up to 3 at a time. So that's the difference. That is the difference. Nice little double bottom hold potential here on Qs. Looking decent. YM is just paint drying. It's the boomer indice. The boomer indice. I think we just might have double bottomed on QQQ. Possibly. Look at this NQ. Right? Double bottom. Haven't seen one of those in a little while. But pretty nice, actually, to be honest. Pretty nice. Not bad. Not bad, my friends. Not bad. See where she goes. Let's see where she goes. Oh, YM. Come on, dude. Stop fucking doing this shit to me, man. I hate this. Like, why? This might fail now. I don't like this bar. I really don't like this bar. Just let it trade. I'm not gonna overthink it. You guys might watch me take a loss. It's okay. Going for a walk. Have a great day, Tanner. See you in the Discord. See you then, brother. Enjoy that walk. You know, I always love taking the walks. Good for you. Good for you. Come on, YM. Give us some love, dude. Get back above this 940. I don't know. I don't know how much conviction I have in this anymore. I really wanted to see it go faster. Struggle bussing. Struggle bussing, guys. Yeah, this might be cooked. Not a fan of it. We'll see. We'll see. Nothing I can do but wait and watch. Man, I don't like that. All right, come retest VWAP and hold if you need to. I get it. I get it. I get it. Yesterday, she took over 3 hours doing a move higher. I'm holding. Yeah, I'm going to keep my stop where it is and just let it trade for sure. Like, it's, God, it's just so slow. But it is cool. I can just like leave the stop in and like go let it trade and walk away eventually. If we're 15 more minutes, we'll see where we're at. But I'll probably hop off the stream by then. It's just going to be a slow one, guys. In the meantime, you can ask questions or whatever. It's not a lot to work with, a lot to do here. I can't make a decision to cut this or pull this here. It's stupid. I got to let it trade. And if it doesn't work, it's okay. It is what it is. And that's the attitude you guys need to have. If your trade doesn't work, it is what it is. Because you're not going to be right every day. Some days it's just not going to work. And that's trading. You got to deal with it. You got to own it. And just be like, all right, that sucks. But on to tomorrow. On to tomorrow. Let's see if she gets picked up here a little bit. NQ's trying to, again, have this double bottom form. It's just so hard, man. Just aggressive. Just aggressive. Not bad on the 2-minute here for YM. How's this 15 look? Came back to VWAP. Retest, hold. This would be decent. If this fails, I'd be like, bro, come on. He's serious. Damn, RTY, nice. RTY, real nice. Look at this. Real nice. So here's a little sauce for you guys. I love these are my favorite patterns. Failed attempts to go lower. And then you have a hammer bar right here. See this little teeny sweep? Got to see this probably in a smaller time frame to really understand it. So you can't even really see it here. Barely. It was better on the 5-minute. But again, bars like this, especially you sweep this low, failed attempt to go over, reversal setup, right? Beautiful, 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 beautiful. That's what I love. I love seeing sweeps, failed attempts to go lower, reversal. This is a really nice setup here on RTY. Really good. Meanwhile, this is just fucking doing nothing. I think what I don't like down here is this had a failed attempt to go lower, which is nice, but we didn't come sweep liquidity down here, which I'm not a fan of. Again, I don't want us to come back down to retest this down here first. I hope it just holds. Bigger picture, 4 hour, even the daily. Look at this. This is a little flag breakout. This looks good. This should go. I hope. I hope so. Oh, man. Just fucking doing nothing here. Getting weak, to be honest. I think this might come down and sweep me and take me out. I don't like it. I don't like it. Tanner thinks of the setup. You're welcome. Hopefully that helps. Probably gonna call it here, guys. I'm just over. I'm just gonna sit in this trade and let it play out. But this is so boring and slow. I'm like, this is just not doing any action, doing anything cool or fun. So I don't want to bore you guys to death and just waste away. But hopefully it helps. Appreciate all of you that join in as usual. We'll we will be back tomorrow. Tomorrow's a new day. So that'll be it. All right. Peace, everyone.